welcome back to Tech Spaces Cubing. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be taking this great budget cube, the Maylong 3M, and turn it into the worst turning 3x3 ever. Now, you might be wondering, why would we ever want to do that? Well, sometimes it's just fun to see how bad things can get, and who knows, maybe we'll learn something along the way. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Roll intro. Okay, so let's go ahead and start by reversing the polarity of the magnets on our Maylong 3M. So to do this, we'll need a screwdriver, some super glue, and some patience. And what we're gonna do is take apart each corner piece like this. We're gonna go ahead and pry off the caps of the corner piece, and then we can go ahead and mark the end of the magnet with a Sharpie. We go ahead and mark the magnet on one side, and then we're gonna go ahead and take out the magnet. Alright, so now once we've removed the magnet right here, this is the magnet, we're gonna go ahead and glue the magnet, but the other way around. So we can flip them to reverse the polarity. We have some super glue here and some tweezers, so we can go ahead and super glue onto that black part that I covered with the Sharpie. Okay, so now that I have the magnet in, okay, now that we have the magnet in there, let's just go on a hold to let the glue set in. We can go ahead and do the other corner pieces. Now, I have a lot of people around me here to help me speed up this process, so let's go ahead and do it.
We weren't able to reverse all of the magnets, but we reversed some of them.
Yeah, it was like a really big challenge. Some of the magnets didn't come out properly, but we reversed some of them, or most of them, so it should be turning a bit worse now. You can see that it's trying to deform itself. We also switched the color schemes. No, on a normal 3x3, it's supposed to look like this, but on this 3x3, it's messed up. Now what we just need to do is tighten 3 sides and loosen 3 sides.
And we're gonna put DNM 37 in the core.
So let's go ahead and time lapse that. Oh no! Okay, so we reversed all the magnets, we switched the color scheme, and we added DNM. And now we're gonna go ahead and add some hand sanitizer.
Wait, I need to.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add some hand sanitizer. In multiple places. Okay, now we just gotta move it around. Now we just gotta put some glue in as well.
No. No! This is just sad.
I
get a stick.
Just a tiny bit. Okay. Wow, this thing feels terrible. You can see the way I'm turning. Let me do a heat from here. Oh my god, that feels terrible. It feels gummy and gooky on the outside. I don't even know what that word is. That's a new word that I made up to describe the feeling of this cube.
Now we're gonna add some WD-40 to it, but we're gonna have to go outside. Through the magic of video editing, I'm gonna snap my finger and then we'll appear outside.
Alright, so we're outside. We have the worst turning 3x3 right here.
And some WD-40.
Okay. We'll go ahead and take a piece out. Oh, it smells like
some gravel.
It smells like Belgian sugar waffles.
Yeah, sure.
Open it up. Let me put some gravel in.
It smells like lemonade. Perfect.
Oh no!
I hear it.
Yeah, no.
Look, can I try it?
What are we doing?
Down the pieces. Why did you put gravel?
You make it turn even worse.
Get the gravel out. Get the gravel out.
Oh, watch this. Watch this. Listen to the noises of this thing makes.
This is ASMR. ASMR. Everybody's talking.
Oh god, I hate this. It literally won't turn. I think I just saw the center twist. I can hear it grinding.
Oh, let's go. How do, okay.
Wait, you gotta solve it.
Oh, it's so close. No, it's a team.
Here, I got you.
All right, so thank you for watching this Tech Spaces cubing video.
Thanks for watching this rare peek into the Rubik factory.
Yeah, bye.